Alright, so this is my Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 from 2023. I tried to install Google Meet and I'm using Gbox, and I'm seeing this Gbox does not currently support installing Meet. Alright, so I think you still can install forcefully, but it will keep on prompting this. Alright, you can't install Meet, so you can't use Google Meet on this Huawei MatePad Pro. Okay, as for the goal sig that you are looking for, this one has it. Alright, but it's a bit hard to find the function. In fact, let's say I want to have a target of 2,000 ringgit commission. Okay, so now I am inside this cell. So to trigger goal sig, I have to come here to search for goal sig. Okay, then this pops up. So set cell this one to our target 2,000, and by changing cell, let's say we want to sell more cream. Okay, alright, so as you can see, this is working, and the cream has to have a sale of 9,000 to meet the commission target. Okay, so I hope this clarifies your doubts. If you have any other questions, do let me know. Thank you for watching.